2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential. Get a fast and easy price quote today